Assalamu alaikum children. We are going to learn ABC means English alphabets A to Z. A is for apple. A double P L E apple. A is for apple. B is for baby. Baby. B A B Y baby. B is for baby. C is for cat. Cat. C A T cat. C is for cat. D is for dog. Dog. D O G dog. D is for dog. E is for elephant. Elephant. E L E P H A N T elephant. E is for elephant. F is for fruits. Fruits. F R U I T S fruits. F is for fruits. G is for girl. Girl. G I R L girl. G is for girl. H is for horse. Horse. H O R S E horse. H is for horse. I is for ice cream. Ice cream. I C E R E A M ice cream. J is for jug. Jug. J U G jug. K is for kite. Kite. K I T E kite. K is for kite. L is for lion. 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 M is for monkey. 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 N is for nest. Nest. N-E-S-T. Nest. N is for nest. O is for orange. Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. O is for orange. P is for peacock. Peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. P is for peacock. Q is for queen. Q-U-E-E-N. Queen. Q is for queen. R is for rabbit. Rabbit. R-A-P-P-I-T. Rabbit. R is for rabbit. S is for sheep. Sheep. S-H-I-P. Sheep. S is for sheep. T is for tiger. Tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. T is for tiger. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. U is for umbrella. V is for violin. Violin. V-I-O-L-I-N. Violin. V is for violin. W is for woman. Woman. W-O-M-A-N. Woman. W is for woman. X is for Xmas tree. Xmas tree. X M A S T R E E Xmas tree. Y is for yacht. Yacht. Y A C H and T. Yacht. Y A C H T. Yacht. Z is for zebra. Zebra. Z E B R A. Zebra. Thank you very much. Keep watching my YouTube channel Jahangir Kohli and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.